Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Are you having trouble with your Hitachi TV or just looking to reset it to its original factory settings? In today's video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide to factory reset your Hitachi TV with ease. Whether you have the remote or not, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Presenter near TV with a remote in hand. First up, let's see how to reset your Hitachi TV using the remote control. Follow these steps. Access the menu, grab your remote and press the menu button. Navigate to Settings, use the arrow keys to scroll down to Settings or Setup, and press OK. Find Reset option. Look for an option labeled Reset, Factory Reset, or System Settings Reset. Select it. Enter the PIN. If required, some Hitachi TVs will ask for a PIN. The default PIN is usually 00000 feet or 1,234, but if you've set a custom PIN, enter that. Confirm Reset. Choose Yes or OK to confirm. Your TV will restart and reset to factory settings. That's it. Your TV is now back to its original settings. But what if you've lost your remote? Don't worry, there's a way to reset without it. Step 2. Close-up of TV buttons on the side panel. Here's how to reset your Hitachi TV without a remote. Locate the physical buttons. Check the side or bottom of your TV for physical buttons labeled Menu, Volume, or Power. Access the menu, press and hold the menu button for a few seconds until the on-screen menu appears. Navigate using buttons. Use the volume or channel buttons to navigate through the menu. Find the Settings or Setup option. Perform the reset, look for the Factory Reset option, then press and hold the power button to confirm. After a few moments, your TV will restart and reset to factory settings. Conclusion. And there you have it. 2 simple methods to factory reset your Hitachi TV whether you have the remote or not. Resetting your TV can resolve many common issues like freezing, lagging, or incorrect setting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.